In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name on Yahoo Mail. This is a simple process, but it's essential if you want your emails to reflect a different name than what you originally signed up with. Maybe you've changed your name, or you just want to update how your name appears when you send emails. Whatever the reason, let's dive right into it and walk through the steps together. First, let's head over to the Yahoo website. Open your preferred web browser and type in yahoo.com, or simply click on your bookmark if you have one saved. Once you're on the Yahoo homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Click on the Mail icon and it will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Make sure you input the correct username and password to access your account successfully. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see an icon or avatar representing your account. Click on this account icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Your Account. This will take you to the settings page where you can adjust various aspects of your Yahoo account. Now, look for the option that says Personal Settings. This section of your account is where you can update personal information, including how your name is displayed. Click on it to proceed. Within the Personal Settings, you'll find a link labeled Change Display Name. Click on this option and it will bring up a field where you can type in your desired display name. Here's where you can get creative or simply input the name you prefer to be identified by in your email communications. Type in the name you wish to use, making sure it's spelled correctly. Remember, this is how recipients will see your name when they receive emails from you, so take a moment to double check it. Finally, once you've entered your new display name, look for the Done button. Clicking this will save your changes. And just like that, your display name is updated. Your emails will now reflect this new name, helping you present yourself just as you wish to your contacts and colleagues. That's it! You've successfully changed your Yahoo Mail display name. Remember, if you ever need to update it again, you can follow these same steps. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video!